Guess we don't need a lawnmower anymore.
My dad made a special attachment to his lawnmower. He calls it Thatcher. Do it.
Throw it. Yeah, come on. Come on. Get it, Sam. Get it. Come on. Come over here. Sam, come over here. Work your way this way. What did you find?
Hardly digging it.
You're so silly. Oh, yeah, get it. Faster. 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 Come on. Faster. Yeah, get in there. Faster. There's a lot of yard. There's a lot of yard. You gotta go faster. Faster, come on. Yeah. There's a lot of yard. There's a lot of it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, get it. Oh, get it. Ah. That's not your yard. Come over here. Come on.
There's a line.
Hey.
Only thatch this side.
He's beak busy because when he's in his cage, it's that tap, 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 tap all the time.
Yeah, he likes
grinding
to
up his
beak.
food and barfing. And
Go on, buddy. Find some good stuff. What do you got, buddy?